No, she's just loaded it though.
Has she?
Yeah, ready for Ben coming up the hill.
Where is I?
Behind.
Don't die.
I'm trying to figure out where to go.
Well, right here, because when he gets close enough, just pump it. Lie down.
Yeah, literally there, look. In that gap in that tree.
You're probably going to die really quickly. Just remember the barrel clearance on me, the no bunker.
So I've got to pull it down all the way, then press it.
Yeah, the safety should be pointing towards the trigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, so point all the way away and then flick.
All right, see.
Bang! And you'll probably go,
Ah! Drop the gun.
oh, and make
BBs go everywhere, we get
in the
shot.
way of the barrel.
Okay. Oh yeah.
The sling.
Because that can ruin your shot.
Ruin your day.
Both teams stand by. Game on in 3, 2, 1. Game on.
They're just standing there and respawning. He's just stood there respawning. I must have a care package, surely. Where's Ben?
Pistol me from there.
Hey! Oh, Jay Reese is dead. Another target.
Oh, he's dead as well.
Is she?
Hit! Stop dying! I want to go and get Wyatt, to be honest.
Where is he? In a trench?
No, it's behind the vehicles. Oh, Benny!
They're going to take the chapel soon.
Let them come. That's Ben's gun.
Yep.
Oh! Hit! That's right, fast mag perk on. Ow! Hit! Hit!
You bastard. Hit! I know where Billy is.
Where is it?
In the bush, just behind that car.
Hey, Billy!
That bush there.
Leon's behind the truck at the front. I think I killed that guy dead.
Is Leon still there?
No, he's
No,
dead.
here he is.
Where's he spawned? Bottom of the car.
Hit!
Hit! Single shot, that one. Sniper.
Game over! Game over, guys. Please don't